What is Spring? What is the Spring Framework? What is Spring Boot? The Spring is a family of projects. Right now, there are over 20 Spring projects. Here, I list several popular ones: the Spring Framework, Spring Boot, Spring Data, Spring Security, and so on. Spring provides comprehensive infrastructure support for developing Java applications, either standalone applications or web applications. Spring handles the infrastructure so Java developers like you and me can focus on the business logic of the application. Simply put, Spring makes Java application development simpler and easier. It is time-tested and proven reliable in enterprise-level application development. Among those Spring projects, the Spring Framework is the foundation of the entire Spring family. As you can see from this picture, other Spring projects are built on top of the Spring Framework. Let me zoom into the Spring Framework and briefly show you some important modules. The Spring Framework is a huge project and is divided into modules. See the rectangles in the picture. Applications can choose which modules they need. At the heart are the modules of the IOC container, which is absolutely integral to the Spring Framework. IOC stands for Inversion of Control. In a nutshell, the IOC container is responsible for detecting Java objects in your application, creating Spring beans for them, wiring them together, and managing their complete lifecycle from creation to destruction. The beans and the context modules, actually there are two Java packages, are the basis for the Spring Framework's IOC container. Beyond that, the Spring Framework provides fundamental support like messaging, AOP. AOP stands for Aspect-Oriented Programming, transactional data and persistence, servlet-based Spring MVC web framework. This is what we will use in this tutorial. And in parallel, the Spring WebFlux reactive web framework if you want to develop asynchronous, non-blocking web applications. When you use the Spring Framework in your project, you don't have to use all of them. You may choose which modules you need, but the IOC container is a must.